Hello. A new study showed that dogs can tell if someone feels happy or stressed. Dogs has a much better sense of smell than people. Dogs have more than 200 million nerves in the nose, but people have only about 50 million. Dogs also have a large part of the brain which sense smell. Some studies suggest that dogs knows how we feel and when we are sick. We smell differently when we are sick or our emotions change, and dogs can easily recognize the change. Dogs can sense some signs of cancer, and they also know if someone has the coronavirus. I am Marisol. Keep it here on English 3 course Unak Sipakira. Good night.